Hey, what's up everybody? This is your keto chef Rob. Duck.
Duck breast.
Honestly, I love duck so much. I actually used it in my final project when I was a student just learning how to cook. It's keto. I mean, it's so fatty. It kind of blows my mind that I haven't done a video on duck yet. So that's what we're doing today. We're gonna make some duck. Let's do this. So we're gonna start with two beautiful duck breasts. Trim off any silver skin or tendons that still might be attached. These look fine. For this recipe, you need a very sharp knife. This is the one I use. I think it's the best steel out there as far as Japanese knives go. And to get that extra crispy skin, it's important to score it, which is what we're doing. We're going crisscross and we're cutting down through the fat and we're stopping at the top of the meat. We're not cutting into it. It's time for you to get a high quality sea salt if you don't have it already. Maldon is perfect. Those big flakes are key to providing just enough saltiness. If you use table salt, you're gonna ruin it. So this seasoning is very simple. It's Maldon sea salt, black pepper, and some orange zest. Orange is not keto, but it goes great on duck, which is why we're using just the very top layer. To get that, we need a microplane or a fine grater. And then we're gonna take all of our seasonings and we're just gonna rub it into those score marks that we made into the fat. That's gonna hold it in while we're cooking. And don't be afraid to really rub it into each one of those score lines. Start cooking the duck breast on a cold pan. Cold pan is key to getting the fat to render out before overcooking the duck breast, and start that on a medium heat. While the duck breast is cooking, we're gonna start with our side Swiss chard. Lay your knife down flat and make long, clean cuts through the stem to make this more manageable. This is great with kale. Again, sharp knife, key. Now, as soon as that duck breast stops sticking in the pan, about 4 or 5 minutes of searing, it should be ready to flip over. Look at that beautiful skin. Now, right away, we're gonna put it in the oven, 350 for 7 minutes, and that's gonna give us a medium rare and a crispy skin. Remember, skin side up in the oven. We're gonna use all of that rendered fat that's left in the pan to cook this Swiss chard, and it's really amazing to see how much dark leafy greens you can fit into a recipe by wilting them in the pan that you just cooked your protein in. And it's a perfect way to make sure you get all the fat that was rendered out of that duck breast. That's where the flavor is. A few drops of fresh lemon juice, and that's gonna wake up the flavor in the pan. I love duck. It's so tasty. Next time you see duck at the store, buy it. Big, thick slices. Look at that crispy skin. Make this recipe and make sure you share it with someone. If you appreciate it, I guarantee you somebody else will. Thanks so much for watching to the end, guys. Appreciate you. Keep it keto. Stay healthy. Peace.